sentiments.
I understand that, and that's why I called her and I had mentioned this, and I was like, what is going on? And she said that she lost her luggage. And you know what, Your Honor, I let it slide.
Okay.
I let it go.
So then what happened? How did you get into these DMs
That
then?
stuck with me, though, and then once she stopped responding to me like she normally would, I knew something was up.
Any of my off days and some days I go to work and then maybe go do a video shoot. So I'm trying to get any money any way possible. You know, so if I come in from work at 12 at night or 11 at night, just because he's hungry, he doesn't have to wait till 11 o'clock for me to get home.
It's going to come out in the
He feels
dry.
like he does. If I come in from both my jobs, I still need to cook dinner.
I don't have to look for nothing because it's going to come out.
I still need to wash out the tub before he takes a shower.
You couldn't take it, so you went on Inspector Gadget mission. You opened up these DMs and you saw, I'm excited to see you and spend some quality time together this week, if you know what I mean. I am so ready. It's been so long. Hope you still know your way around.
Like 10 and 20
my
miles
way around Newark or my way around you?
He had just recently met up with, like right before. Because he had moved to Atlanta before me, a month before. And he had his whole thing going on by the time I got there.
I get to see the home of Sam Presley
I can't lie, she wasn't there, and
you should feel so honored, so flirtatious.
Walk up to me and
Does
tell
this
me,
sound like
you're
a
not
text
from here.
exchange from
talk different, you walk
a girlfriend
different.
of another man
So I
who's
ran with it.
sponsoring tickets for you to go see your mother?
But yeah, I got bit.
No, he's an old family friend. I've known him for a while. He knew I was back in town and had reached out to me.
Have you cut these other women loose, or are they rotating through? You can't
it is
just
a mistake, and
beat
I'm
them off,
ashamed
or what,
of it.
what's
and I
happening?
tried,
He said they never
to explain my side and work through it.
So you admit you cheated when you went?
Yeah.
Did you ever take care of your mother, or you really going to just hang out?
I was with my mother the whole time besides that one time I cheated.
Okay, so what's the basis of this suit? I don't even have time for this. What's the basis? You say now you're suing her for $776.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because you say you paid this money. Did you ever buy her a ticket home?
No, I did not buy her a ticket home.
So the ticket there was $776.
The ticket there, yes, along with the unauthorized credit card charges.
And he actually gave me his credit card before I left
for incidental incidents
which
only.
is exactly what it was for. I lost my luggage. I needed things.
Yeah, okay.
So, Ms. Kimball, now I want to get to your counterclaim before I rule. $881. You're suing him what? The cost to get you back home?
Yep, I had to scrape up whatever money I could. I had to borrow.
Sam couldn't get you a ticket?
It was a mistake. It's not somebody I wanted to be with.
So
it's only
you messed
physical.
up with somebody who could get you a ticket there and messed around with somebody who can't get you a ticket home.
Right, it was a mistake. It was not my intention, and I wanted to resolve things.
You said your counter was from an unlawful eviction. You're telling me you're suing for the plane ticket. Where's the eviction part come in?
After he went through my DMs and confronted me, I tried to call him and explain, and he wouldn't take my calls. He just texted me, move your stuff out ASAP, and then blocked my number. When I got home, the locks were already changed, and he would allow me...
How long had you lived there?
6 months with him.
All right, and so what part of the $881 damages that you presented has to go towards this unlawful eviction?
Well, about $400 for the ticket home, and then I had to get a storage unit to store all my things last minute.
All right, Mr. Singh, when you agreed to buy this plane ticket, you were doing so out of the understanding that your girlfriend needed to go be with her mother.
Exactly.
What bothers this court is, while you did it, it seems to me that there was a part of this understanding that you weren't privy to, in the sense that Ms. Kimmel had also a plan to go cheat on you and be with another man. So while there is a legal term called promissory estoppel, where if she relied on the fact that if I go there, you're going to bring me home, the court could technically say that she deserves to collect on the payment of the flight that it took her to get back home. With respect to the incidentals, you gave her your credit card to use, and if for an emergency, which sounds like this was an emergency. So now I'm trying to understand, how much was the plane ticket?
I believe it was upwards of $400.
$425.
Exactly.
Now, you had to go put your stuff in a storage. How'd you even get your stuff out?
All my friends helped me. They helped me pay for it, and I slept on their couches.
And so then you went and put your stuff in the storage. Now, do you realize that your stuff had to go in storage also because you got caught cheating?
I guess so, but he wouldn't let me explain or talk at all and just completely cut me off.
There was nothing to talk about anymore at that point.
I was living there for 6 months. It was my home too.
All right, at the end of the day, you bought a ticket for her to go visit her mother. You did that out of the kindness of your heart.
Yes.
It was a gift. And even though she went out there and cheated, unfortunately, it was a gift. I hate that you can't collect, but you can't. You didn't buy the ticket home. You had to pull that money together. That's on you because you know you were out there cheating. In addition, you come back, the locks are locked. You really should not have kicked her out without a 30-day notice. That's unlawful. But even with that said, you didn't even let her back in to come stay, but you didn't spend any money to go stay anywhere else. You're suing for an extra step you really didn't have to take, and I don't really think those were necessary damages given the fact that you had somewhere to stay for free. Why didn't you just take the little stuff you had?
He told me to get my stuff out ASAP.
What stuff was it?
I had, a shelf, a couple boxes. It was too much stuff.
So you took yourself over to stay I'm done. You had a shelf and 2 boxes. You gonna rent a whole storage unit for $420-something for a shelf and 2 boxes?
No, it was more
when you
than
could
that.
go take that to a friend's? No, he did not have any right to just lock you out. You had a tenancy claim there, but your damages need to match what that is. Everybody's case is dismissed. Court is adjourned.
All rise.
Judge Lake has ruled. Both cases are dismissed.
I'm sorry, but you're not really who you seem.
Coming from the person who flew across the country on a sexcation, I'm very okay not being the person you seem, because I'm the nice guy here, not you.